Hello, and welcome to another unboxing. I present to you the most recommended PC monitor by the renowned tech YouTubers. The Benq Mobiuz EX2510. It is a IPS 144Hz gaming monitor. It is a 24.5 inches monitor, full HD with FreeSync Premium for smooth gameplay. It has a built-in speakers, of 2.5 watts, and 3.5 audio jack. As you can see in the pictures, the box contains the power cable, bring an HDMI cable, and the manual and warranty. As you can see, the base looks very robust and easy to assemble. The arm is heavy and of good construction. It also allows to adjust height and angles. And here is the monitor. As you can see from the images, its assembly is very quick and simple. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to click the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to watch other videos.